Good day everyone, I am John Alvin T. Contreras. Today we are going to talk about something very important in our digital world, cybercrime. Cybercrime is one of the most serious challenge of the modern digital age. It refers to criminal activities carried out to using computers, smartphone, or the internet. Unlike traditional crimes, cybercrime often leaves no physical evidence, which makes it harder to detect and control. As technology continues to advance, criminals find new ways to misuse is for illegal purposes. There are different types of cybercrime. Hacking involves breaking into computer system without permission, often to steal or damage information. Identified theft is another common offense, where criminals steal personal data such as bank details and use it for fraud. Online scams and phishing trick people into sharing sensitive information, while cyberbullying and online harassment cause psychological harm to victims. On a larger scale, cybercriminals may carry out against governments, business, or financial institutions, creating risk to national security and the economy. The growth of the cybercrime show the importance of strong cybersecurity laws alone are not enough. People must also be educated about safe online practice. At the same time, international cooperation is needed since cybercriminals often operate across borders. Cybercrime can affect anyone, but safe online habits help reduce risk. Use a strong password, avoid suspicious links, keep device updated, and limit personal information shared online. Install antivirus software and report suspicious activities. Lastly, little reminder to stay alert. Protect your data and think before you click. That's all. Thank you everyone.